You are literally hearing things that are not there. Right now, some of you can hear a low, buzzing hum in the background of your life. It is constant. It is driving you insane. But here is the terrifying part. Most people can't hear it at all. Are you a freak of nature? Or is the world actually vibrating? Hear me out. Scientists call it the hum. People have reported it for decades. It sounds like a distant diesel engine idling in your living room. But wait, it gets crazier. Some people have actually committed suicide because the sound won't stop. Is it secret government sonar, alien frequencies, or maybe your brain is just glitching out? Hold on, some researchers think it is actually tinnitus, but that is too simple. What about the people who hear it in the exact same cities at the exact same time? That is not a medical glitch. That is a signal, the most disturbing theory. Your brain is just tuning into a frequency the rest of us are too blind to notice. You aren't crazy. You're just the only one awake to the noise, which means the real question is, why is it getting louder?